Hi, it's Brandon here from PDR Canada. Today, the tip and trick I'm going to show you is how I polish near door seams. Right here, we got this customer has some scratches here on the corner. This is on the corner of a box side. So this would be relevant to any doors on the side of the car or hood, anywhere where there's a seam where two panels are. I open the panel, grab some painter's tape, and what I'm doing is I'm sealing up the edge here so that when I polish near the edge, a bunch of dust doesn't fly into the jam. And it just makes for a cleaner process. So I'm gonna grab some tape here. And if you come around this side, I'll lay it on the inside here. Just lay half of it down. And then you're gonna wanna roll it back like this. And then now, when you close the door, now you have a sealed seam, so no dust can get in. So now I could polish here and have no dirty mess in the process.